Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. COVID-19 considered dealing assembly polls Allahabad 8 tells government army Tomricon threat. The Allahabad High Court was asked the government to consider postponing the upcoming assembly elections by 1 or 2 months in the light of COVID-19 threat in the country. On Thursday, the number of Omicron cases in India crossed the 300 mark. The High Court also asked the government to consider banning rallies and political gatherings ahead of the elections scheduled early next year in the five states of the country and to make required steps to tackle the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the country. Political parties can campaign via TV and newspaper, the court said, appealing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Election Commission of India to postpone the election. The Allahabad High Court bench said, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." The court praises the Prime Minister's efforts regarding the campaign for free vaccination in a nation with such a huge population. The court now requires the Prime Minister to take strict steps in view of pandemic situation in the country, the Allahabad High Court said. This observation were made by the Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav during a bail hearing. He noted that his court had 400 petitions listed before it for date, and several lawyers in the courtroom had failed to maintain social distancing and mask protocol during the same. Omicron in India live updates. Delhi club set for violating the DMA order. Till Thursday, India recorded 346 Omicron cases. Maharashtra and Delhi registered the highest number of patients at 88 and 57 respectively. The Allahabad High Court meanwhile urged the centre to stop political rallies in election-bound states. Stay tuned for live updates on Omicron situation. Britain reported a record of 119,789 new daily COVID-19 cases on Thursday, compared with 106,122 a day earlier. The Food and the Drug Administration in the US on Thursday authorized the second pill for use against COVID-19. The approval came a day after the agency cleared a drug from Pfizer. A club in South Delhi, Mehrali, has been sealed for violating the Department of Delhi Disaster Management Authority order by the district magistrate, and the club had violated the order prohibiting congregations exceeding 50% of the total capacity at restaurants and bars. Till Thursday, India recorded 356 Omicron cases. Maharashtra and Delhi registered the highest number of patients at 88 and 57 respectively. The centre has issued an advisory to states to prevent the spread of COVID cases, especially in districts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday evening held a review meeting on COVID-19 situation in the country. The asked officials to be alert. Hollywood feature web series Bollywood films How Jacqueline Fernandez Was Eaten by Conman Sukesh. Millionaire Conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who had gifted luxury items from Gucci, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, and the Mini Cooper, among other things, to actor Jacqueline Fernandez, had reportedly also promised her a role in a big Hollywood production. The actor even received a mail from the production house, according to sources. The sources added that Jacqueline was overjoyed to land a role in a big budget film. She waited for the filmmakers to write back with further details, but no mail came for months. As news broke of the Conman elaborate extortion racket, which he was running from inside Tihar jail, she released the mail was a ruse to impress her, sources in the investigate agencies told India Today. Even the investigators believe Sukesh used the film offer as a bait. They added, the Hollywood project was not his first offer to Jacqueline. When the two spoke for the first time earlier this year, Sukesh has introduced himself as a media baron from the South with connection and the network in Bollywood. He claimed to be making a few big-ticket South Indian films and web series and suggested Jacqueline would be a part of a few. The sources added, He even promised projecting Bollywood, and the actor, who has not had any major releases in some time, failed for it hook, line and sinker, the sources said. Actor Jacqueline Fernandez has also been questioned by the agency multiple times in connection with her association with the Con Man.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.